Hello, fabulous viewers. Currently, are you using any products or techniques? Have you ever struggled with hair fall? Are you interested in natural methods to increase hair thickness? We have got 3 fantastic ways to help you achieve that full voluminous look. Second one is my favorite. Are you ready to elevate your hair game? Let's jump right in. First, scalp massage and oil treatment. Massaging your scalp regularly can stimulate blood flow to the hair follicles, promoting hair growth and thickness. Use natural oils such as coconut, jojoba, or almond oil for added nourishment. Warm the oil slightly, massage it into your scalp in circulation motions, and leave it on for at least 30 minutes before washing. This improves blood circulation, strengthens hair roots, and enhances overall hair health, leading to increased thickness. Second, Ayurvedic method. Have you heard of using onions for hair care? If it is yes, put yes in comment box. You can massage onion juice on your scalp, or you can make a hair mask by blending 1 onion and 1 tablespoon honey. Leave it on 30 minutes and then wash. Onions are packed with sulfur. This is an important mineral that helps to boost collagen, which is essential for healthy hair growth. Next, did you know that fenugreek or methi is great for your hair? If it is yes, put yes in comment box. Methi is packed with nutrients like protein, iron, and potassium. These all work together to give your hair a boost of strength and health. You can use methi for your hair by making a hair mask with ground fenugreek seeds and coconut oil. Third, protein-rich diet. A diet rich in protein is crucial for hair health, as hair is primarily made of protein called keratin. Include sources like eggs, fish, lean meats, legumes, dairy products in your diet. Protein strengthens hair strands, preventing breakage, and encourages thicker, more resilient hair growth. We have hearing from you. Drop a comment below and let us know which hair care tip resonated with you the most. If you're enjoying our hair care tips and want to stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Thank you for watching.